Hello, my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you how to trellis the cucumbers. Here's a clip from the show. All right, it's going to be a really fun day in the garden today. We put the low trellis up to a high trellis, and today we're going to tie up the cucumber plants. So I will show you how we're going to do that. So pretty exciting day. The first thing that I want to do is to put my string over the top of the trellis, and then I'm going to clip this like that. And I'm going to come down. Now, the cucumbers are a little different than the tomatoes in that they don't have a specific place that I want to clip, so I can clip anywhere. So each plant is going to have its own string. I don't think we've lost any plants, but we're going to just work with all the plants that we have. It might be a little dense, but we're going to get started with that. So there's the first clip, and I want you to look right here. This is actually one of our first cucumbers. The way I can tell that this is a female plant is it's got the fruit on it. So here's the fruit here. This is a male flower here. The flower is not open, but you can see that the stem is very, very short. And so this would be a male flower. And typically on a cucumber, you're going to have the male flower. The pollen is going to be spread by a bee to the female flower. This particular variety of cucumber is self-pollinating, so it doesn't need the cross-pollination to grow. So these can just grow on and make cucumbers, but that's really exciting to see that. All right, so I'm going to go around and get a string on every single one of these cucumber plants just so that they can start growing up. Alrighty, we got the strings, one on each cucumber plant. I cannot believe how many cucumber plants there are in here. I kind of expected some of them to die off, but they didn't. So anyways, we clipped them all, and we'll see what happens. We may have to remove a few if it's too thick. But for today, it's just right. So we're going to leave it the way it is. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show, Year 8, Week 13. If you'd like to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online, and you can watch it anytime. Enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show. For those of you that don't know what the High Performance Garden Show is, this is your gateway to learning how to create those amazing gardens that you wish you had. We'll show you how to create an easy, fun, productive, and organic garden. We follow a high-performance garden for 33 weeks from the seed to putting it to bed at the end of the season. This tiny 128 square foot garden produces over 800 pounds of food worth over $2,500 in one season with only a 15-minute-a-day commitment, and all the weeds from this garden fit into one pint jar. Go to thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show to sign up or click on the link below. So please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of the High Performance Garden Nuggets. This is all for today. Thank you for joining me, and may your garden be easy, fun, productive, and always organic.